Frustrated by the Eacore Library DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. Quickly resolve Eacore library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Eacore library, the Electronic Arts EA core platform library used by the Origin and EA app ecosystems to manage entitlement validation, account synchronization, and cloud save coordination. It acts as a shared runtime component across EA titles. If missing, the launcher may fail to initialize games correctly, often displaying messages such as, "The game could not be initialized." Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Eacore belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Eacore library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Installing an unverified version of Eacore Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Eacore Library. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Eacore Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.